How you doing? So, I should have trusted my instincts that it's too windy to go up the mountain. It's nuts. So, let's go up the mountain. So I just have a few hours to kill, so I'm out rambling just to see, checking out a few areas, but yeah, I'm not sure how good the the microphone's gonna be up here, but sure, look, let's see what happens anyway. Oh my god, it's windy as hell. Alright, let's see what mischief we can get up to. It's gonna be nuts. I actually need my gloves on already. My hands are freezing. We'll keep going and see how far we get. If I can find a big rock for a cup of coffee, I'll be happy. But we'll see. Might be a nice place for coffee on the way back. Oh, maybe. Let's see. We've 4 brave souls coming off Cush. It's windy out. I'm tucked in here behind this mound before I go up. Just get my breath. Jesus, it can blow you over. Good exercise though. I'm hoping there might be 1 or 2 camping spots up here. I've camped down in this valley before, but I'd like to get up higher. And look, I've been on top of the Galtees several times, but it's always nice to find new areas, isn't it? Okay. Suck it up before I get up here. Oh, I have a sandboat with me as well now, I'm hungry, so. I know on top of Cush there's very big rock structures up over here. So, let's get up and see if we can tuck down behind something for a sandwich. Sandwich, I always call it. Right, let's do this. I decided to bring my my black diamond poles out with me today. My last ones I left leaning against the side of my car, and when I reversed, the top of it got caught in the alloy wheel and snapped it in half. I remember it was after the Tom Crean challenge. I remember reversing out and I heard a crack and I went, oh no. I thought it was something in the car, and when I got out then I saw it, so the joys of it. So I bought a new set, and at the same time I got these. I got the Durston ice line. Is it the ice line? The Durston poles. So I just said I'd try these out today. I bought them ages ago, I didn't use them yet. Okay, I'm only talking here because I don't want to go up over this hill because I'm just going to get blown over. Okay, let's just do it. Off this way. I've been up this mountain so many times, but I've actually never done that loop all the way over. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a different way of seeing it. So yeah, I only have a few hours to kill, so I just said I'd make the best of my time. I signed up for a few challenges this year, so I have to get my ass in gear to up the fitness level majorly, so hence why I'm taking every opportunity to get out and get the mountain legs going. Okay, I'm hungry. We'll keep going. I'm tucked in behind this mound here. It's not as windy. Ooh. Sorry, I just spotted a flat spot. Got a small tent there. Be cool. You're kind of on a balcony for the night. That's pretty cool. Some more spots like that now would be nice. Is there water there as well? I mentioned it in my last video. My focus has been elsewhere lately, not as much on the channel, because I'm switching, not jobs, it is jobs, but I'm still with the same company. I'm switching locations, and it's very exciting because it's more down the line of what I have done in the past. It's all engineering, so yeah, the position I'm in now is not so much engineering, but yeah, I just get excited about machinery and oil. That sounds so wrong. Not a robot with lube or anything, but so my focus has 100% been on the job, and I haven't officially started there yet. I've done 1 or 2 visits out there, but when I get started there, then I'm going to be hell for leather into learning everything. So I'll keep doing what I'm trying to do as much as I can. And look, all my plans at Christmas to get a video a week, it won't happen, especially around this time with the new job, you know. But look, I'll keep going. I have to point the direction of my priorities more so than the channel. But not saying that you're not a priority for me. Like, you're lovely, like. Okay, let's get up. I have a chicken sandwich I want to eat. So, it started snowing. I was wondering, a few minutes ago I kept on getting white hits, but I just thought it was kind of like stuff off the grass, or it was actually snowing. That's cool. Well, I suppose snow's better than rain. It's meant to rain. I'll take the snow all day long. So let's keep going. Find a spot for a bit of lunch that's out of the wind. Holy moly, in out of the wind for a few minutes. It's going to be very bright now, won't it? Isn't it better? I don't know. Anyway, cup of tea, get into me. Found a little nook, so I did. Oh, somewhere to get a cup of tea on. No wind here, but my God, snow, sleet. It's brilliant. So I'm glad I came out now. Right, let's get this on. Oh, it's still snowing anyway. This is lovely. I haven't been out properly hiking in a long time, and the one thing I absolutely adore about hiking in really cold weather is when you get back into the car and just turn the heating on. It's just I was going to do the big Galtee loop today, but it's all fogged out, but I'd say it would have been very messy up there. So look, I'm glad I I got out late, but I'm glad I got out. I love the new kettle I got. It's just, it fits the bigger X-Boil so well. And it's black. It's black as well. It's black. Oh. Ooh. I slipped over. Cheers, people. Oh my God, it is Baltic. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Okay, I need to get food into me quickly. Now, that's the beauty of alcohol stoves, isn't it? They're so efficient in really cold conditions. I'd love to know what the wind chill is. Like, it's easily could be -3, -4. But I need to get moving now. I have extra layers there, but once I get moving, I'll be fine. I just don't want to put them all on to take them all off again. You know, stripping on TV. Okay, let's get going. There's meant to be a lot of rain coming in, but I'm presuming where I am is going to be a lot of snow, so I need to get down. So let's go. I actually can't feel my hands. I wish I had my mittens. Say we'll get down just before all the rain. Look, I have wet gear, but I just don't want to put them on. I'm a lazy ass. Now, back down at the road. Oh, happy days. So this was a very rough and ready video. So it's not as precise as my other ones, but I just wanted to start adding a few of these kind of videos in where they're just, as I said, rough and ready, and just head out and see what's going on. So my plan is this weekend hopefully to get out camping, and yeah, I want to do a bit of car camping as well, so hop into a nice car now. I have a flask in there with a cup of tea on the way home, so looking forward to it. Anyway, thanks for joining me if you're here this long, and stay safe out there. We'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.